Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this lovely textures stitch. I don't know its name. Maybe I can give it a name. But I like it very much. You can use it for your jumpers or your shawls or anywhere you want. Even if you want, you can use it for your beanies. It's really lovely, as you see. I will use this yarn is size 4 yarn and 5mm crochet hook. If you are ready, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with a slip knot, like that. And we will chain multiples of 4, make them loosely. Four, 8, 12, 16. I think it's enough for me just now. And we will add just 2 chains. 1 and 2. That's just for one time. Okay. Then turn and skip this first chain and make a single crochet into that second chain. Insert your hook here. Take the yarn, pull it through from this loop, yarn over, and pull it through from both loops. Like this is single crochet. Yarn over, skip that first chain, and make a double crochet into that second one. Insert your hook here, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull it from 2 loop, yarn over and pull it last loops. Just chain 1 and make a double crochet into same place. Actually, now we are making a V-stitch here. Okay, skip this one, make a single crochet into the second one, when you complete it, skip that one and make a V into that next single crochet chain, sorry. Make a double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet into same place. Skip that one, make a single crochet, skip this, make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 1, oops, single crochet, skip 1, V-stitch, and for the last time skip 1 and make a single crochet. And we will complete our base Now chain 4. Let's think that like 3 chains for a double crochet and 1 chain for 1 chain space between these double crochets. Now I will make a double crochet into that single crochet. And that's our first V. Now I will make a single crochet into that 1 chain space. You see, that's our last V from the last row we made. I will make a single crochet here. Here is our single crochet. We will make a V here. I will make a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, and into that chain 1 space I will make a single crochet. The single crochet, make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and here make a single crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, single crochet, and into that single crochet we will make a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, and we complete the second row. Chain 1, turn your work. Now we have a V here. We will start with a single crochet here. Okay, insert your hook from this chain 1 space and make a single crochet, and then we have this single crochet here. You see, this is our first V and a single crochet, and we will make a V again. Chain 1 and double crochet. We have single crochet V and single crochet. V, single crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, single crochet. Okay, we start with single crochet and complete with single crochet. Now we will start with 4 chain and make a double crochet into single crochet. We start with a V and we finish with a V again. I will show you just one last time. I will make a single crochet into that 1 chain space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, chain 1, double crochet, single crochet, crochet, and for the last time double crochet, chain one and double crochet. Just keep repeat this 2 rows again and again and again, and you will have a lovely texture. As you see, this is size 3 yarn and the size 4 yarn with a different thickness. You will have some different results, I think. This looks more textured than this. This looks softly but nice. I like it very much. I hope you like it too. And I want to try it with a multicolor yarn. I think it looks good too. And that's it for today. Sinis Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me anytime you want here, and you can leave the comments. Of course, I like your comments very much. I like to share something with you, even if I don't have any energy to make this. So sorry for this sleepy head voice. I'm still ill, and it's nice to see you again. Have a nice day.